Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to boost a Facebook post. Essentially, what the process of boosting is creating an ad. So let's get straight into it. Once we're on our page dashboard, we're just going to find the post that we like to boost and press on the boost post button. After that, we're going to press accept, and this is the page for the ads. We can choose our goal. First of all, we can choose to have more engagement, more leads, visitors, calls. So whatever we need, we can choose. For example, I'm going to choose engagement, and then we can choose what the button says. So this button right here, we're going to choose what it says. We can choose learn more. We can add a special category. I'm not going to do that. And then audience. We can customize our audience, or you can choose people through targeting. And then duration for the ad. Basically, you're gonna select how many days the ad is going to be active, when it's going to end, and when it's going to start. Well, it's going to start as soon as we press the publish button, but we can choose the end date, and it's gonna show us how much it's going to cost. We can choose our budget, and then we can choose placements. And after that, it's the payment method you're gonna use for paying for the ad. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Once you're done adding your payment method, you're choosing your audience and your goal, you can just press publish, and it's going to publish the ad and have it like this, like a sponsored boosted post. Anyways, thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, share, subscribe, and make sure to have a great day. So see you in the next one. Goodbye.